4th Standard Social Science History Unit 2. Today we are going to learn the lesson Emergence of New Kingdoms in North India. வட இந்திய புதிய அரசுகளினுடைய தோற்றம். Learning objectives: to acquire knowledge about the kingdoms of Rajputs and their counterparts in North India. வட இந்திய ராஜ அரசுகள் மற்றும் அவற்றை போன்ற ஏனைய அரசுகள் குறித்து அறிதல். To assess the contributions of Rajputs and Balas of Indian culture. இந்திய பண்பாட்டிற்கு ராஜபுத்திரர்கள் மற்றும் பாலர்களுடைய பங்களிப்பை அறிந்து கொள்ளுதல். Introduction. There are plenty of stories that speaks of the valor and chivalry of Rajputs. ராஜபுத்திரர்கள் வீர தீர மிக்கவர்களாகவும் அஞ்சாமை உடையவர்களாகவும் இருந்தாங்க. Rajput states formed a collective entity that was called Rajputana. Chittoor was the prominent and had become the rallying point for all Rajput clans. It was small compared to Malwa and Gujarat. மாலவம் குஜராத் ஆகியவற்றுடன் ஒப்பிடுகையில் சித்தூர் மிக மிக சிறியதாக இருந்துச்சு. Origin of the Rajputs. The word Rajputs is derived from the Sanskrit word Rajputra. After the death of Harsha in AD 647, various Rajput clans established kingdoms in different parts of northern and central India. The Rajputs trace their pedigree back into the past. வம்சாவளி மிகச்சிறந்த வம்சாவளி எத்தனை இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா 3 குலங்கள் தோன்றுச்சு. யார் இறந்ததுக்கு பின்னாடி அப்படின்னா ஹர்ஷர் இறந்ததுக்கு பின்னாடி 3 குலங்கள் தோன்றின. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், the 3 principal houses are the Suryavamsi, second one Chandravamsi, third one Agnikula. The Suryavamsi are the race of the sun, the Chandravamsi are the race of the moon, and the Agnikula are the race of the fire god. Among those who claimed descent from solar and lunar lines, Sandelas and Bundelkhand were prominent. 36 royal Rajput clans were listed by the Oriental scholar James Dodd in AD 1829. Among the 4 claimed a special status. 4 என்னன்னா மரபினர்கள் இருந்தாங்க. முக்கியமாக தலை சிறந்த 4 மரபினர்கள் இருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி யார் சொன்னான்னா ஜேம்ஸ் டாட் ஒரு லிஸ்ட் பட்டியலிடுறாரு. அதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பிரதிகாஸ், செகண்ட் ஒன் த சௌகான்ஸ், தேர்ட் ஒன் த சாளுக்கியாஸ் known as Solangis, fourth one and the Paramaras of Powers. All the 4 clans were of the Agnikula origin. அக்னிகுல வம்சத்திலிருந்து இந்த 4 அரச பரம்பரைகள் இருந்ததாக கீழ்த்திசை புலமையாளர் யார் சொல்றாருன்னா ஜேம்ஸ் டாட் கூறுறாரு. பிரதிகாரஸ். The Pradigaras are the Gurjara Pradigaras, one of the 4 prominent clans of the Rajput, ruled from the Gurjaratra in Jodhpur. In the 6th century AD, the Harichandra laid the foundation of the Gurjara dynasty. The Gurjara dynasty foundation பண்ணனது யாரு, அடிக்கல் நாட்டினது யாருன்னா ஹரிச்சந்திரா. Nagabhatta first was the first and the prominent ruler of Pradigars. In the 8th century, he ruled over Bharuch and Jodhpur and extended his dominion up to Gwalior. முதலாவதாகவும் முக்கியமாகவும் இருந்தது யாருன்னா நாகபட்டா 2. அது பரூச் அண்ட் ஜோத்பூர்ல ஆட்சி செய்தாரு. இருந்தாலும் குவாலியர் என்ன பண்ணார்னா நன்கு விரிவுபடுத்தினார். வர்த்தராஜா. இந்த வர்த்தராஜா, the successors Nagabhatta second and Ramabhadra did not do anything impressively. Mahira Bhoja or Bhoja, son of the Rambhadra, within a few years of his accession, succeeded in consolidating the power of the Pradigaras. As a strong ruler, Bhoja was able to maintain peace in his kingdom. Palas, Dharmabala. The Kobala who founded the Pala dynasty did not have a royal antecedents. antecedents. Dharmabala, his son, made of the Pala kingdom a powerful force in northern Indian politics. He was a great patron of Buddhism of founded Vikramasila monastery, which became a great center of the Buddhist learning. Dharmabala was succeeded by his son Devabala, who extended Pala control eastwards into Kamarupa. அஸ்ஸாமில் ஒரு காமரூஃபாங்கிறது ஒரு இடம். He gifted 5 villages the Buddhist. He also constructed many temples along with monastery in Magadha. According to the historian R.C. Majumdar, the regions of Dharmabala and Devabala constitute the most brilliant chapter in the history of Bengal. Mahibala. Mahibala first was the most powerful ruler of the Bala dynasty. He is called the founder of the second Bala dynasty. The decline the Pradigas gave the Palas an opportunity to take a leading role in North Indian affairs. The Chauhans ruled between AD CE 956 and 1192 over the eastern parts of the present-day Rajasthan, establishing their capital at Sahambari. The Rajput dynasty was founded by Simharaja, who was popularly known as the founder of the city of Ajmer. Contributions of Rajputs to art and architecture. The architecture, the Rajputs were great builders. Some of the important examples of the Rajput buildings are the strong fortresses of Chittorgarh, Ranthambore, and Kumbhalgarh, all in Rajasthan, and Gwalior, the Sindheri, and Asigarh, all in Madhya Pradesh. The examples of the domestic architecture of the Rajputs are the palaces of Mansingh at Gwalior, the buildings of Ambur, and lake palaces at Udaipur. The Khajuraho in Bandalgand has 30 temples in Sigaras of the Khajuraho temples are most elegant. The exterior and interior parts of the temples are adorned with a very fine sculpture. There are 16 Hindu and Jain temples at Ocean, which is 30 miles away from Jodhpur. The Jain temple at Mount Abu has a white marble hall and a central dome of 11 concentric rings and richly curved valuted ceiling and pillars. The Raksha Bandhan. The Raksha Bandhan Rakhi. The tradition is attributed the Rajputs Raksana என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா பாதுகாப்பு protection. The Bandhan, to be tie, is a festival that celebrates brotherhood and love. It is believed that if a woman ties a rakhi around the wrist of male members, it means they are treating them like brothers. Such men are the placed under obligations to protect them. The contribution of Palas and culture. The Palas were authors of the Mahayana school in Buddhism. They were generous patrons of Buddhist temples and the famous universities of Nalanda and Vikramasila. It was through the missionaries that Buddhism was established in Tibet. The celebrated Buddhist monk Adisha 981 to 1054, who reformed Tibetan Buddhism, was the president of the Vikramasila monastery. The Palas also maintained cordial relations with a Hindu Buddhist state of the Sailendra of Sumatra and Java.